Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ava and we are once again in the birds only account. So, as we all know, the banners have changed and guess who's on the banner? Yes, Fremine. So our goal today is to hopefully pull him early and get as many constellation as possible before getting a 5 star. And for that we need to farm. Not a lot, hopefully, but we need to. Okay, first thing first, let's do our coin fates and see what the gacha gods will give us. Magic guide, not very useful, but the star glitter is nice. And another blue. I don't know what I expected, but the bait call, I guess. And then we gotta exchange everything for our intertwined fates and hopefully get Fremine early. I don't want any other 4 stars. Just give me Fremine and I'm out of here, please. But I'm currently at 1 PD for 4 star, so I think he's gonna take his sweet time to come home. But a girl can't hope. We can hope for an early Fremine. Please give me an early Fremine. I really want it. Okay, I don't know when he's gonna get a rerun again. Probably in 2 years. Okay, another blue. Another magic guide. Okay, great. Let's see. Another blue. Why not? Great. And another blue. Who would have thought? Who would have guessed? Okay, let's do Fremine trial. Fremine, I think, is a main DPS, a freeze main DPS, as we can see, and great for us. Mika is one of his best teammates because Mika buff physical damage, I guess. So I think I'm gonna team them together. Like Femine, Mika, uh, hopefully another Hydro because we need Hydro, and another Cryo character, probably Layla, I think. But yeah, Fremine is gonna be a main DPS. I mean, there's nothing else he can do, and I will use Mika for him because I don't think there's any other bird who needs physical damage buffs. So yeah, I see they're gonna be together, which is great because I love Remine and I kinda love his playstyle here because I had no idea what this guy did do. I just saw him, he was cute, and I pulled him on my main account. Never really built him because I had other characters to build, but here I can build him. And when I like tested him, he's really fun when he's built. So he's gonna be built as a main DPS, hopefully. And yeah, I I'm really enjoying this guy. He's really fun to play. I like him, but my only concern is that we don't have enough Hydro characters to pull a freeze team, and that's concerning. We only have Aino, and I want to use Aino with Ulua because he needs the what was it called again? Lunar reactions. So yeah, I don't know what to do with that team. Okay, all the trial characters are done, and I redeemed some code from the live stream that I hadn't redeemed, and I got a bunch of like normal rewards from the battle pass, and I think we have a bunch of primogems that we can pull right now, and hopefully get a 4 star because I think we're getting to the 4 star PD. And if we get Fremine, like right now, it would be great because I don't want to go and farm and get Diona every time. Like, watch me get Diona every time. Okay, first pool, it's blue. obviously. Sharpshooter's O's. Okay. Second pool, blue, obviously. Thrilling Tales of the Dragon Slate, that's a really good weapon. Another blue. Another Thrilling Tales. Great. Another blue. And it's a Harbinger of Dawn. It's great. We can give that to Kaya and refine his. Okay, there's a 4 star. Yeah, we can refine his. Did I just jinx myself? Did I just jinx my whole bloodline with Diana? Because I'm new. Because I'm not doing this. I am not doing this. Okay, can I get another pool? Yes, I can. So let's do that. Back to back. Okay, that was pushing it. Yes, another Harbinger of Dawn. We can refine Kaya's weapon. Let's go. What refinement is it gonna be? Oh, I need to level up their weapons. Refinement. Let's see. 3. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. But the Diona is really pissing me off. I don't want a Diona. This is not a cat zone. It's birds. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I don't think this is gonna be hard because Diluc is doing good damage. Yeah, like 800, that is good. His level, I don't know what level. 40, 50, I can't see. I cannot focus anywhere else right now. I think we'll die. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, get your burst, do your burst, and just kill them. Kill them until they have Kaya's ult, and kill them, bomb them, keep bombing them. I need Klee right now. That was so fun. This guy is gonna be a pro. Okay, stop that. Can it die already? Okay, burst, another burst. I love that little feather Mika's burst gives you. Okay, he's dead. You need to die. Okay, where's the last? Oh, thank God! It's gonna be an abyss mage. I would cry. Not too shabby. Not too bad. And 2 Acquaint Fates. We're gonna pull those right away. Okay, let's see what we'll get. Hopefully, something great. Like Lanyan. I need to do all those, I don't know, challenges and puzzles. Okay, let's see. First one, blue, obviously. Skyride Sword. Second one, blue. Let's see, can it be Harbinger of Dawn at least? Whatever. Okay, let's do Mika's weapon domain because we need to level it up. Because I think it's a very good weapon for him. I mean, Fab Lance is better, I think, but oh my god, 15 of these? Is that 50? Yeah, 15 of these. Is that 16? God, why is there so many slimes in here? I mean, not a problem because Diluc and Kaya are taking care of them very good, but 60? Why? Isn't that a lie? And then there's a domain like the Noblesse domain, it's only one green guard. It takes you like 10 seconds. You're doing it, right? And then there's 60 slimes in here. I mean, my Mawika would take at least 40 seconds to do this. She's not built really good, but still, she hit 1 million damage, but she would struggle because there's a lot of them. What is this? This is taking so long. Can you die already? Please. I need to. Thank you. Let's go and level up because weapon 1 minute and 11 seconds. I do like that. Okay. Oh my god. I did the little skipping thing for this cutscene on the main account. I forgot how it looked like. think that's enough, I guess. I mean, surely that's enough, right? Please be enough. I don't want to do that again. That was horrendous. Horrendous? Is that the correct word? I don't know when I'm gonna level him up though. The B nut? Okay, we need these. Geoviship. Okay. Let's buy. Wait. Let's do that. And get our intertwined fate. Another fate. We're gonna pull them like after this. Let me level this up real quick. Okay. Level 40 Black Castle. That's great. And oh, can level him up again? Okay. And yeah, I think this is the one domain that you need animal for. Yeah. Not doing that. Okay. And we're gonna get the archetype weapon for Diluc, so I'm not leveling his weapon right now because I don't even know if I'm gonna use them. So anyway, let's use the intertwined fates and see what we'll get. Okay, please, Fremine. She's not even on the banner. Yunza, what are you doing here, my girl? Please go to my main account. I need to C6 you, but not here. Okay. At least it's not a Diona. I'm glad. Cool still. Okay. Sure. Sure. Why not? Okay. Let's see. Yansan. Not even on the banner. She's a really good character. But yeah, we can't use her. Nothing in here is resembling birds, unfortunately. So she's benched for the rest of eternity. Okay, can I do this? Who are. Okay. Okay. Okay, they're taking damage, I think? Yeah. If they stop knocking me down, I could do this. Okay, stop that. They will burn them, melt them, and kill them. Can you? Okay, I hate the shields. Okay, I hate them with a passion. Stop knocking me down. God. Can you die? I have like 20 seconds left. Please die. Please. Okay. I'm tired of getting knocked down. Please die. Begging. Die. Thank God. Okay, let's level up Fischl. Level 50 Fischl. Okay, not 50. 43. Okay, I need to farm ley lines. Can I do that? Yes, I have some resin, like two, condense, and one. So let's do that. Okay, finally, level 50 Fischl. She's leveled up to the breed, like Dealer. So our next goal is Kaya. Okay, I'm about to try beating Abyss. If I fail, you'll never see this. But if you're seeing this, it means I succeeded. Okay, let's do floor one. I already got 3 stars on the first floor, so I don't think the first floor is gonna be any problem. Okay, let's see. Elemental mastery. There was, yeah, electro slimes again. I'm gonna have trauma from them. These are so many every time. Like 16, now 23. What, you guys hate small numbers? Okay, not too bad. I mean, I already got 3 stars on this floor, so I'm not too worried. But the second floor and the third floor was the problem. I didn't even attempt at the third floor because I got 2 stars on the second floor. I just gave up. That was nice. Moving on. Hmm. Let's see. Okay. Who? Where in this floor again? Oh yeah, villagers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. 22 again? They hate small, don't they? It's like that time when there was like 40 enemies on one floor and you had to have venti. I mean, I didn't have a problem because I have venti. And as I said, he has his newest signature weapon. The only character who has a signature weapon. So that wasn't the problem, but I know my friends had problems with it because you needed venti if you didn't have any like good grouping options. And I was bragging about my venti because it was so fun doing that Florence venti. Okay, we're gonna take this down. Great. Next floor. If I get 3 stars on the next floor, it's gonna be great. Let's see. I don't even know what's in this floor, so fingers crossed. Oh, villagers again. 6? Finally. Some small numbers. I would I was legit expecting to see like 50 again. 50? No, not 15. Oh, sesame. Hmm. Okay. Sure. Okay. First floor done. Let's do second. I think we got this in the bag. Because the first floor was too easy. So if there's a little struggle here, we could still clear it easily, I think. I have seen so many electro slimes today. I don't think I want to see them for the next 2 weeks at least. At least they're not pyro slimes who just explode upon dying and takes your HP with them. 15 again? I just saw it. Okay. I don't even know why I switched to official muscle memory, I guess. She can't do anything to Electrus lines. Okay, Deluge. I believe in you. Kill them. Okay, where's the last oak? Then they gatekeep the last one. I'm always afraid it's gonna be an abyss mage. That's that's traumatizing. I don't wanna deal with an abyss mage at the last minute. I mean, I have 4 minutes. Alright, chamber 2. Oh, none of this. Okay. Hydro slime, so I can use fish shell very easily because they're wet. Okay. First, oops, first. Yeah. 12 again. Can we just keep the 1 digit numbers? What's with the 2 digits? Like, why are we doing that? Get away from that monolith. Okay? Get away from it. Can you die? Okay. Okay. Died. Slimes are good. I can't take hyper slime. Okay, give me slime. Oh, this mage. I was just talking about this. Don't give me abyss mages the last wave. Okay, give me the first wave so I can get rid of them as soon as possible. But when you give me the last wave, an abyss mage. At least it's not pirate. Okay, done. You're doing chamber 3 now. I We got this in a bag. I didn't even struggle. Look at my characters. They're like full HP. We're good. I'm gonna attempt floor 3 too, I guess, to see what will happen. I'm not sure I will be able to clear it, but I'll try. Okay. 5. Yes. I'll do 5. 5 is great. Give me 5. Not 5 of this majors. Okay. Don't take my words literally. Don't do that. Okay, burst. Die. Okay. I'm just jinxing myself. Should I just shut up? First the Diona, now the Beast Mages. I'm sure I will be better off shutting up. Because it's happening. Everything I say, except that give me Fremine, it's happening. And it's pissing me off. Okay. Not too bad. I'm gonna attempt floor 3, even though I'm pretty much sure I can. Let's see. If there's another electro slime, I'm jumping off a cliff. Okay, that's worse. Can we like get over with the slimes? I'll take villagers. 23. Okay, no, not doing this. Not doing it. 23 is a scam. I don't want to talk about floor 3. Okay, just let's get the purple gems and get out of here. That floor was cursed. It was cursed. Okay, what is in here? Oh, 2 levels. Great. Let's get all of this. I wanted the book, but thank you. Experience. Oh, right. I just need to clear 3 domains of forgery to get the uh, reward. Wait, good to know. So let's do our polls. Blue. Okay. Another blue. Great. And another blue. Nice. Harbinger of Dawn. That's great. Kaya's gonna get our 4 Harbinger of Dawn. Yes. I just decided to go explore Dragon Spine because apparently it has great rewards and chests, and I can level up the Frost Bearing Tree. Right? Is that its name? So, I guess we're doing that as much as I don't want to. But let's go! I was collecting crystal agates and I remembered I have a quaint fate. So, let's see what we'll get from this one quaint fate. Let's do it. Strand of Honor, 4-star. Great. Lanyan. Give me Lanyan. Shut up. Shut up. Ilua, a bird? Did they really looked upon me and gave me a bird? Not a Goro, not a Charlotte, an Ilua, which he's useless right now because we don't have Aino. Even if we have Aino, I think he's gonna be a little hard to play this. But I mean, he's here, I guess. Man, this is really good because he just got his first banner, I think. So I wasn't sure he was gonna get any rerun soon, so this is really great. Oh my god. I'm gonna level him up to level 20. But you're gonna be at the level 20 jail for a while because of these. I'm not going to not cry right now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I got 14 crystal agates. And I'm gonna go over them and get my primo gems and wishes. See, 14. Let's do this. One. Not level 1. Level 2. Level 3. And level 4. So, what will it give us? Let me see. Um, so, we only get intertwined fates at level 6. So I need like 10 more, I guess. 20 more? I don't know. You're gonna go get them. No, like 10 more. Because we're at level 5. Okay. Nothing. You're giving me nothing. Okay. Oh, I would have been so happy if you gave me a Lanyard, but I guess not. Let's go collect more. Okay, I hated that whole experience, but I got 10 more. Let's go get our intertwined fates. Level 6. Okay, you get the wish thingy when you're like level 7 or 8, right? Or level 6, right? Yeah, late. Yes, so. But I'm not doing that right now. I'm tired of the sheer cold, so I'm just gonna pull. Okay, everyone calm down. You got to be kidding me. Like, there's no way. Oh, yeah, sure. Give me 2 Dionas, a Yansan, and a Favonius Codex. Sure, why not? Everyone but the guy I want. Hey, give me Diona's Constellation 1, but not Fremine. Why not? Why not? Piss me off. Okay, I don't even have a catalyst. Why would you give me that? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna go over here because I have Geo Geo Geoclus to offer. I'm gonna do that. And I think these gives you 10 human gems, yeah. Because the not cry ones give you 100. Early nations are such a scam sometimes. But 10 for a whole level? Why? Anyway, we cannot do any more wishes. So I guess that will be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And even though we didn't get any from Renee, we're gonna try again and again until we get him. Because we cannot skip him. So that's for today. I hope you enjoyed this video because I did. And I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.